Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School's morning shift. Today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Today my topic is plants and animals. This is chapter 2. Dear student, I have already written here important topic. Today I will discuss about what do living things need to survive. Next one, differences between habit and shelter. What do plants need to make food? Plants of Sundarbans, habitat, the bad effects of environment on plants and animals, desert habitat and polar habitat. Let's start today's class. Our first topic, this is one question. What do living things need to survive? Here is the answer. All living things need some essential elements to survive, such as food, habitat, shelter, water and air. For example, I can say that we are human, we are living thing, we need all of these. Next topic is differences between habitat and shelter. First is habitat. A habitat is a place where plants grow and animals live in. For example, we live on earth, live on land, that's why land is our habitat. Next is shelter. A shelter is a place where animals are safe, like we live in home is our shelter. Next difference is habitat does not provide protection from other predators and adverse weather condition, but shelter provides animals protection from other predators or adverse weather condition. Dear student, our next topic is what do plants need to make food? Plants make food by using sunlight and water. They also use carbon dioxide in air to make food. They use the food they make in order to get the energy for survival and growth. You can see here is a picture. This plant take water from soil and light from sun and carbon dioxide from the air. So dear student, our next topic is plants of Sundarban. For your information, I want to say that Sundarban is the largest mangrove forest of Bangladesh. Some plants grow in salty environment. Sundarban is such kind of environment in Bangladesh. The plants grow in this environment are different from other regions. These plants have pneumatophore for breathing. Dear student, pneumatophore is one kind of roots. You can see this picture, here is a pneumatophore. Sundari, Goran, Keora are the example of such kind of plants. Next is habitat. What is habitat? Habitat is a place where plants grow and animals live in. Plants and animals live in different habitats in the environment. There are various types of habitats such as desert habitat, forest habitat, wetland habitat, ocean habitat and polar habitat. You can see here is a forest habitat, wetland habitat and this is ocean habitat. I will discuss desert habitat and polar habitat in our next topic. Now, the topic is the bad effect of environment on plants and animals. The environment is being changed due to some natural causes such as flood, storm, drought, etc. Human activities have also changed the environment drastically. The environmental changes cause the destruction of the habitats of plants and animals. Thereby, plants and animals might die or some of them might become extinct, such as dodo bird and Tasmanian tiger. Once upon a time, dodo bird and Tasmanian tiger were the part of our environment. Now they are extinct. In Bangladesh, Javan rhinoceros, king vulture and lal shir become extinct. Talipam tree and the Royal Bengal tiger are endangered at present condition. So, we should save our Royal Bengal tiger. Dear student, our next topic is desert habitat. A desert is an extremely dry place with very little water and rain. Some spiny shrubs such as cactus grow in this environment. The stem and leaves of this plant are succulent, that means juicy inside, and its smooth outermost surface helps to retain water. Different types of animals such as snake, lizard, camel live in desert. A camel stores fat in its hump. Dear student, this is the hump of camel. This stored fat helps it to survive longer period without water or food in desert environment. Our next topic is polar habitat. Polar region is the extremely cold and ice covered place of earth which is situated at the furthest northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Pines and few grasses grow in this region. Polar bear, seals and penguin etc. live in that area. To protect themselves from that extreme cold weather, these animals have very thick skin and are covered with fur. You can see here is a polar bear. So, dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.